It was decided that the Janesville mom accused of child neglect will go to trial after a preliminary hearing today. This comes after a 1-year-old was left alone in a bathtub and drowned last month. 27-year-old Rebecca Ambrose and 26-year-old Jason Christensen both face multiple neglect charges in this case. A prosecutor said Ambrose allegedly put her 1-year-old child in a bathtub and turned the water on before going outside to scroll on TikTok and Snapchat. She returned around a half hour later and found the tub overflowing with the child not breathing. Prosecutors also said the home was in a, quote, horrific state during Christensen's first court appearance. He had a hearing this morning to determine whether or not he's financially fit for legal representation.